What's up, everybody? Welcome back. Today we're whipping up some smashed burger patty melts and we're just going to dive right into it. To start things off, we'll go ahead and caramelize some onions, get them thinly sliced, and we're cooking on the Blackstone today, so get some butter melted and toss your sliced onions right in. Season them up with some salt and pepper, and I like to throw in a little W sauce just to give them that good smoky flavor. And I'm cooking these first just because they'll take the longest and you want to cook them low and slow. So while that's cooking, we can go ahead and knock out a quick burger sauce. Start with a good amount of mayo. We're using light because we're healthy around here. Then follow it up with some ketchup, yellow mustard, a little W sauce, about a teaspoon of minced garlic. Then I'm gonna season it with this sweet heat barbecue rub. Feel free to use whatever seasoning you like, then give it a good whisk and be sure to taste and tweak it as you go. Checking on those onions, they look about done, so I go ahead and slide them away from the heat. And next we can start toasting our bread. I have some thick sliced Texas toast, but any other bread like sourdough could definitely work as well. And while that bread is toasting, if you haven't already, please take this time to subscribe to the channel. And go ahead and drop a comment if you have any suggestions on what you want me to cook next. Once you have a nice color on both sides, grab your ground beef and roll up about a 1/4 pound each. Once you're done, go ahead and season them up with your favorite seasoning. Then go ahead and drop them on the griddle. Don't forget to leave some space in between each one. That way while you're smashing them down, they don't overlap. Next, give them a nice smash to start forming that crust. Once you have them smashed, season them up some more. Then after a few minutes, give them a flip. I'm using provolone cheese, 2 slices on each patty. Once they get good and melted, go ahead and stack them up. Next, grab your toasted bread and go down with that burger sauce. Then get your patties. And I don't care what nobody says, a smash burger has to be 2 patties. Top it with those caramelized onions. And then you gotta top it with more sauce. And man, it doesn't get much better than that. All you gotta do now is dig in. Cheers. That's delicious. Check this one out.